Oh hey, I'm back. It's too early.
Said his room smells funky.
Say it again.
His room smells funky.
One more time.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Okay, apparently this room smells funky to her. I agree. There we go. It's not the best smell ever. This is Maddie.
No.
Okay.
No. Drew.
I caught her. Okay, so my name is Jude. I'm a freshman in high school somewhere in America. And these are my vlogs. There's Destiny. So why are we here?
I don't know. You tell me. You wanted to come here.
I suppose.
I guess.
Hey Destiny. Yeah.
We're in the bathroom, not in there.
You got a haircut too. Okay. Yeah, he's taking pills.
Hey! What? Dude, I feel great. I could.
Avery, guess what? Guess what Steven told me?
Wait,
Steven.
That's a 73 apple. You want an apple core?
No, actually.
Oh wait, I got.
How?
So, you should all go to McDonald's.
So
I'm not endorsed by McDonald's.
Okay.
Where have I seen that?
What am I supposed to watch?
What am I watching?
What are we watching?
What is going on with my camera? Oh. Okay.
Can you show me later? I can't see it.
No, it's the sun.
No, it's the reflection off you. I can see you. I just can't see the picture.
It's strange. It's like the sun.
Pretty.
Yeah, hold on. There we go. There's the sun. Time to run. Marshmallows.
Okay.
Say it again.
I can fit 6 marshmallows in my mouth and still say chubby bunny.
That's cool.
Really, you did it? I can't do it.
Crazy.
He could be.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What the heck?
You counted to 12. At least we know you passed the 3rd grade, Robert.
It's on the camera.
Back up. Fine.
I think a lot of the students here are camera shy.
No. Robert's not camera shy.
Man. I'm pushing weight. Go. He's filming me doing this.
1 minute, 1 lap. 1 minute,
Go. I'm dying.
I don't care.
It's recording now.
It is recording.
Yeah, I know.
That's Rebecca. It's Alexis. It's Caitlin. That's Drew doing the chicken. It's Jasmine.
Okay, now it's gonna appear sideways.
This is me.
It's gonna appear sideways.
I'm sorry, I'll hold it like what?
I'll never forgive you.
Hi.
Ate it. Actually, that's a Reese's Pieces.
Oh wait, I got a text message. Maybe he's not doing get his phone taken up. Oh, dang. God, I have to stream my.
Cool.
Now it's sideways.
up with that very well, are you? Doesn't he just look handsome from way up there?
That's sick.
Now that is a face you can't resist.
This is the face you can't resist.
Drew, make your baby face.
Now that's a face you can't resist.
Isn't that adorable? Stop it!
Give me the nose.
You are not filming my nose.
Give me the nose.
No.
Give me the nose.
Doesn't make him go or be mean. Or you know what I mean. There's my nose.
Okay, so health class is pretty much done, so let's just skip to the next thing.
Can I try to swallow it? Can I?
Sure.
This is my homeroom. Drew is in his right now. But he doesn't have to be.
Yeah. I'm going to sit down.
Let me know if you're here. Jackson. Gretchen. Here. Courtney.
It was funny when I shot that guy in the face with a bullet.
They're not here.
You get really close to it.
Eat it. Don't seriously.
Here's Zach. Here.
Where's the rum? He suffered a bunch of brain damage. He does not know who he is anymore.
It ate my $1. I want my drink.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, thanks.
Yeah, you're on TV. You're on TV, Lane.
Hey, does anybody remember Lane from the last vlog? He's like, hi. Now mad. Grr. Wait, do that.
Wait, yeah. God. No.
You better do something. Do something interesting. Do something interesting now. Do a barrel roll. That's a horrible barrel roll.
Here, I'm eating my chicken nuggets. Go away. No. Go.
She gets here next year.
Should I do my ninja thing again?
Sure.
I'm out!
Okay. Wait, Neil.
I don't feel like doing it. Think back right now.
You gotta do it now. I'm the ninja.
There we go.
Get away from me! You're gonna get away from me! Not you! Him!
Sorry. I got squeezed out the door. That's not natural.
Stop hurting me! No sandwich!
Sandwich? There's mud all over the place.
Stop pushing! Stop pushing that!
I'll see you later. Where are you going? I don't know.
What you going to for? Why can't we have to go the same way?
I don't know. Hey. What? What?
Look, she's running.
Yeah, I know. Who's running?
Where are we going now?
I don't know.
Hey, look, it's Molly.
Hey, Molly.
And Rachel.
Yeah, she
And that
don't.
girl that don't know her name. They're all standing there.
Uh-huh.
Bye, Drew.
Bye.
Hasta la vista, let's go.
It's so funny.
All right, make sure it's recording. Hey, how's it going?
Seizure.
Okay, so I am going to the library because I gotta study for a test. This should be fun. At least it's nice outside.
Bell's fixing right.
Oh my!
No smiling
He did it first. Yeah. Wait, can this one
no
see me?
yeah. No smiling contest, go.
Just don't laugh at the camera.
Failed.
Chinese food is really good. I mean, you should all just go at it because I mean, like you got little shrooms and you got like pork and noodles and stuff, and you got these little egg rolls. I mean, like they're all like firmly wrapped up, you know, and they got all this stuff in it, like cabbage or whatever. So yeah, I mean, you should totally go for it.
The word of Steven.
It's a killer camera!
Hello.
There's a red light on it. It's getting into my soul.
Really?
Yes, soul is tasty.
I'm glad my soul is tasty. Does that mean you're gonna eat my soul?
No, that's Karen's job.
No!
And there she goes. You got me a present.
I got you this little present right here.
You got me a present. You got me a present.
I don't want it.
Okay.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion.
I'm gonna run over here and have a
Because they are so awesome.
Okay, so it's silent time. If we talk, we die. Tastes like chicken. That was extremely loud.
Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the school day. It's nearly 4 o'clock and I'm taking the walk home. Not really a long walk, but it's okay. Long drop down there. Yep. So, today was pretty good. Might vlog tomorrow. But right now I'm just going to edit what I have and yeah, so check out my main channel, link below, Yeti Dude 13. That's where I place all my stories and stuff. There's my brother. He doesn't talk much. He got his cat. He got his tongue bitten off by a cat. So, yeah, link in description and, later.
I'm just kidding.